This question was asked in TFR 2022 physics paper, and it says on a wet monsoon day at 12 noon, a thin film of oil of thickness 0.3 micrometer is formed on a wet road. The refractive index of oil and water are given, and we need to answer what is the wavelength of light that will be reflected with maximum intensity. Four options were given, so the picture is something like this. We are given a thin film of thickness 0.3 micrometer, and the refractive index of this medium is 1.475. Here is the water, the refractive index is 1.33, and here is air, the refractive index is 1. At 12 noon we will assume the normal incidence in this case. So we all know that when the light ray moves from rarer medium to denser medium, it will suffer a phase difference of pi, or equivalently the path difference will be lambda n by 2, where lambda n is related to the optical path length, and lambda n and lambda are related by lambda n equals to lambda by n, where lambda n is related to the optical path length and lambda is related to the geometrical path length. This is measured in air and this is measured in the medium. So if the light ray is incident on this boundary, it will suffer a path difference of lambda n by 2, and when the light ray is incident on this boundary, here the light ray is going from denser to rarer, so it will not suffer any phase difference here, so the path difference here will be 0. So let the thickness of the thin film is t. So what is the total path difference between this ray and the light ray which is coming from this surface? So this light will cover an additional path 2t, t here and t here. So t plus t, that is the path difference that is visible here, and the other path difference which is lambda n by 2, that is lambda n by 2 due to the incidence on the air oil boundary, and this is the total path difference. And for maximum, the total path difference should be integral multiple of lambda n. So 2t plus lambda n by 2 will be equals to m lambda n. So 2t is equals to m minus 1 over 2 lambda n, and lambda n can be written as 2t divided by m minus 1 over 2. Now lambda n is equals to lambda divided by n, so lambda will be equals to 2tn divided by m minus 1 over 2, and we are asked to find the maximum wavelength in this case. So for maximum we need to put m equals to 1 here, and if we put the value of t and n also, n is the refractive index of the film which is 1.475, so lambda turns out to be 2 into 0.3 into 1.475, and remember it is in micrometer divided by 1 minus 1 over 2, and if we solve this we will get 1.77 micrometer, and if we convert this into nanometer we will get 1770 nanometer. But wait, this is not the maximum wavelength which is visible, because the wavelength range for the visible light is from say 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer, so this will not be the correct answer. So we will move further. We will put m equals to 1 m equals to 2 here. So if we put m equals to 2, we will get 2 into 0.3 into 1.475 divided by 2 minus 1 over 2, that is 3 over 2 here, and if we solve this we will get 0.59 micrometer. and if we convert this into nanometer, we will get 590 nanometer, and 5 nanometer is indeed lie between 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. So this is the correct maximum wavelength which is reflected. Thank you.